Maksad, every place where shadows cast.
Every place where shadows cast, Muslims cry the pain so vast. From the lands where the sun does set, to the places we can't forget. Maksad, our mission clear, stand with those who live in fear. Raise our voice strong and bright. For the oppressed we'll fight the fight. In Israel, where dreams are torn, where homes are lost and hearts are worn, Ujada street with echoes loud of cries for justice, we are proud. Maksad, our mission clear, stand with those who live in fear. Raise our voice strong and bright. For the oppressed we'll fight the fight. Himaka stories untold of lives in silence, brave and bold. Punjab's fields with tears that flow. In unity our strength will show. Maksad, our mission clear, stand with those who live in fear. Raise our voice strong and bright.